Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return using Tax Guruji. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and error-free experience. Filing your ITR is crucial for financial compliance and can offer several benefits, including loan approvals and visa processing. Tax Guruji aims to make this often complex task straightforward and accessible for everyone, saving you time and effort. Before you begin filing, it is essential to have all your necessary documents prepared. This includes your permanent account number, Aadhaar card, and Form 16 from your employer. Additionally, have your bank statements, details of any investments, and other income proofs handy. Organizing these documents beforehand will significantly streamline the filing process and help prevent any last-minute confusion or delays. Now, let's walk through the actual filing process on Tax Guruji. First, log into your account and choose the appropriate income tax return form based on your income sources. Then, accurately input all your financial data, including salary, other income, and eligible deductions. The platform will guide you through each section. After entering all details, meticulously review your entire return for any discrepancies before submitting it for e-verification. Once you have submitted your income tax return, the next crucial step is to complete the e-verification process. This confirms your filing and is typically done within 30 days. Always save a copy of your filed return and the acknowledgement for your records. Remember, filing your taxes accurately and well in advance of the deadline, usually July 31st for most individuals, helps avoid late fees and ensures financial peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.